is going to be 1 2/5 divided by 1/2. Okay, so when we are multiplying and dividing fractions, we can't work with mixed numbers. So we have to turn them into improper fractions. So I'm going to Texas popcorn, TX. I start at the bottom and I work my way up. So that's going to be 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. So this fraction is 7/5. I haven't changed anything. These are equivalent. They are equal. Okay, I just Texas popcorned it to make it look like an improper fraction so that we can easily keep it, change it, flip it, or top times top, bottom times bottom. Okay, so then I need to go and keep it, change it, flip it. Okay, dividing fractions, don't ask why. Flip the second and multiply. Okay, so we've already made this into improper. I didn't flip anything, okay? This was a Texas popcorn. These are equivalent. All right, so now I'm going to top times top, bottom times bottom. And so 7 times 2 equals 14, and 5 times 1 equals 5. So again, this is improper, okay? The top number is bigger than the bottom number. My cowboy is much bigger than my horse. So I need to come over here to the side, and I need to set up my division so that I can backwards check mark. So I'm gonna put my cowboy inside, take off his boots, hang up his hat, and park his horse outside. So 5 does not go into 1, but it goes into 14 twice. 2 times 5 is gonna be 10. We subtract and we get 4. Because I'm not making a decimal, I'm gonna stop. If I was making a decimal, I would add some zeros and keep dividing. Because I'm making a mixed number, I'm gonna backwards check mark from that point. So I have a whole 2 with a remainder of 4/5. I have a whole 2 with a remainder of 4/5. Okay, and that's my final answer. And then my very last fraction is going to be 2 mixed numbers. And again, we cannot multiply and divide when they are in a mixed form. So the first thing that I have to do is I need to Texas popcorn those so that they are nice and friendly for multiplying and dividing. So I TX and popcorn. And I'm going to get 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11, and remember we keep that denominator of 4. On this side we have 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11, and over 8. Now notice I haven't done my division rule yet. I haven't kept it, changed it, or flipped it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna go on top and write my KCF. Okay, now that they're in standard fraction form, keep it, change it, flip it. Remember, dividing fractions, don't ask why. Flip the seconds and multiply. So we keep, we change to multiplication, and we flipped the fraction over. We found the reciprocal. So now I am ready to top times top, bottom times bottom. And I know 11 times 8 is 88. And 4 times 11 is 44. So again, I have come up with an improper fraction. Because it is improper, we wouldn't want to leave it that way. So I'm going to set up my division and backwards check mark. So I'm going to put my cowboy in the house, 88. He's going to take off his boots and hat, and I'm going to park my horse outside. So 44 does not go into 8, but it goes into 88 2 times. 2 times 44 is 88. And I do not have a remainder. So instead of having a mixed number, I'm just gonna have a whole number. So my answer for this problem is simply 2. Okay, because there is no, it would be 2 and 0/44, and 0/44 is not a thing. Okay, and that is how we divide fractions. One more time, dividing fractions, don't ask why. Flip the second and multiply. Have a great day, guys.